Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring how to trade options using the Webull app, an intuitive platform designed for both beginners and experienced traders. If you're ready to navigate the world of options, this step-by-step guide has you covered. Let's dive in. Enable options trading. Open the Webull app and go to the Settings or Accounts section. Apply for options trading by filling out the required information, including your financial background and trading experience. Once approved, you'll gain access to the options trading features. Choose a stock. Search for a stock you're interested in trading options on. Tap on the stock to access its detailed page and select the Options tab to view available contracts. Understand the options chain. The options chain displays calls and puts with various strike prices and expiration dates. Familiarize yourself with key terms like premium, implied volatility, and open interest to make informed decisions. Select a contract. Pick an options contract that aligns with your trading strategy, whether it's buying calls, puts, or creating spreads. Tap on the contract to view its details and proceed to the order screen. Place your order. Enter the number of contracts, specify your price, market or limit order, and review the total cost. Submit your order and monitor its status in the Orders tab. Monitor and manage your trade. Once the order is executed, track your position under the Positions tab. Webull provides tools to help you analyze and manage your options trades effectively. Trading options can open up new possibilities for your portfolio, and Webull makes the process straightforward. Have you tried options trading on Webull? Share your experience in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.